going on, everybody? Get a new tool for the shop in here. I was going to do a quick unboxing, but I got too excited and I had to see it. This is Fab's M600 tubing bender. I've needed a tubing bender for a while. I had a couple projects coming up. I'm going to be doing an RZR cage. The Mustang needs a roll cage. A few other things need a roll cage. I chose to go with Fab for a couple of reasons. They have a weld together kit that's pretty cheap. It's basically comes in all pieces. You have to weld it together. They got their instructions here. But so they got that. Also, another really interesting thing is they have an attachment for a mandrel bender. I've always wanted a mandrel bender. Never thought I'd be able to afford one. But they've come up with an affordable way to mandrel bend thin tubes for an attachment on this bender. I don't think they have an attachment for 3-inch yet or anything like that, but it'd be nice to be able to make some pipes for headers or turbo manifolds and stuff like that. So I have their weld together M600 kit here, and I go through these directions, work my way through it, put this thing together, and see how hard this is. Yeah, it looks pretty easy. The directions are pretty self-explanatory. So here we go. Here it is. all welded up, ready to go. I'm going to end up getting it powder coated, so I didn't bother putting the stickers on it yet, but it has a nice radius sticker here. It's got a couple stickers that go here for the different dies. You can see it's all TIG welded up top here. I MIG welded the back because it's fast and easy. I ended up getting the Harbor Freight air ram for about 80 bucks after the 20% off coupon. So that was a good deal. I didn't show this earlier either, but this is their notcher. Pretty nice stuff. I just got it mounted to a cheap vise I bought at Harbor Freight on my rolling fab table here. But it's got a nice degree wheel on it. And you're able to offset the notcher, so you could take out just a top piece or just a bottom piece, or however you want to do it. But I did a couple test pieces here. This is a 1 3/4 DOM. Did a couple 90s. Works real good. But let me take a minute here and show you how it works. So you got your clamp die here. Go ahead and pull that out. Throw it on your pipe. What's really cool about this setup is they sell a piece that goes on here to hold a radius gauge, and you can buy multiple of these. So say you had a 15-foot piece that needed a bend at 5 feet, needed to roll 5 degrees, and it needed a bend at 10 feet or whatever. You can set these on the pipe without the bender. So I'd have one set here. I could have one set at 3 degrees rolled on the pipe, another 5 feet down, so that when you start bending, all you have to do is just slide it through. When you hit the new one, roll it to where it's supposed to be. You can have it all preset and ready to go. You take this here, slide it in. Throw your pin back in. See a nice bend, it doesn't deform it at all. But this is what I'm saying. You could have another clamp die further down the pipe, say at this angle, ready to go. So you don't have to keep moving this, you can have it all preset. Just a couple of small bends, but you get the idea. If you continue all the way to 180, all you have to do is take this, when it gets to a certain point, move it to this hole, and move it to this hole, but you can do a complete 180. I think it even does more than 180. Yeah, it's just a couple of small bends, just give you an idea what the bend can do. These are a couple of 30-degree bends or so. It's a 90. You can see the pipe isn't distorted at all. Real nice quality bends. I'm very happy with the bender. Definitely get in touch with Rogue Fab if you want one. There'll be a lot more of this bender on my channel. I got a razor cage I'm going to be doing when you're putting a cage in the Mustang. So yeah, definitely going to get a lot of use out of this and the notcher. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks.